Hey friends, how y'all doing? Hi. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am plus size model Nikki Bendross. I know you guys know already. I wanted to invite you guys to my event. We are going to take a closet tour. We're going to do so many different things. We are going to figure out your style. I'm going to invite you into my closet, look around, get a feel for what it's like to walk in my shoes, not just as a plus size model, but owning your style, figuring out how you like different prints and patterns, how you can be bold and gorgeous and fine at the same time. How, because you're super plus or if you're super skinny, it doesn't matter. We're going to take a joyride in my closet together. Now, I want you guys to remember the date. Save the date, March 1st, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please save the date. We're going to have an amazing time. And I want you to come in with your head held high and expecting the greatest experience you've ever had. Now, I love any and all things fashion. You guys see me when I showcase different brands. I'm going to tell you about how I became a plus size model. We can also talk about how you can start your own platform as well. But I just want to thank you guys for always supporting me. You guys are so supportive. You guys are so encouraging. You guys are totally amazing. Shout out to my fantastic husband, digital cinematographer Eric Bendross. He is amazing. He's my hair, my makeup, my wardrobe. He's everything. I promise you. When you see my set background that's being done, he does that. Um, I wore this beautiful pink chiffon dress the other week. It was totally amazing. I'll tell you how to gear how to find your styles, how we can put styles together, how we can get you to own everything there is about you to own. Now, if you have any questions, now would be the time. Hi, Natalie. Good day to you too, Natalie. I'm excited that I can share this experience with you. I'm so super excited. You guys have been so encouraging, so loving, so giving, and I just feel like this is my way of giving back. And also, it's a shared experience. We're generally going to reciprocate. We're going to talk. We're going to laugh. We may shed some tears. But I just want to invite you guys to my event. March 1st. It's going to be amazing. March 1st, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, not Central Standard. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, guys, you take care and you have a blessed day. Bye bye for now.